Today we are back at SEF. We are setting up for interviews. At this point, I am setting up 2 lighting kits with a single camera and a sit-down interview. At this point, let me go ahead and let you guys see what I'm working on right now, okay? So right now I have the Amaran 200XS's, which is a bicolor light in the small rig. I believe this is a 36-inch light diffuser. So the whole plan is actually to have the subject sitting just about right here. We're gonna go ahead and cut all the lights off the side of the room, and then from there have the lights, the pendant lights in the background give us some depth on the back end. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all the lights off and set everything up. Now, the one thing that I am gonna do, being that the major light source is coming from that side, let's cut these off. The major light source is coming from that side. I have the lighting facing this way, so naturally that it's coming from this side as well. So let's run this across. Now for this extension cord, I'll also have this running behind the chair. Being that they're sitting down, we should not be able to see that, but I'll make sure to set it up, check my angles, and make sure that's not. All right, so I'm gonna set my lighting up to about 5600. I believe I'm gonna bring that other light in as well, because I know I'm gonna need that. As you can see, we have plenty of light coming here. All right, so we are at the Atlanta Marriott Marquis right now. I am setting up for a 2-day event with the SheSoars conference that's happening here in Atlanta. I'm now setting up my lighting, getting things in position. Now, one thing I would say as a videographer, you just always make sure you are over prepared. I came in assuming, actually was told that there would be lighting and such like that, but they were told about lighting inside house, which is not the case. So I always walk with my lighting, my kit, with tripods, extension cords, splitters, all kind of stuff just in my bag, or with a different lighting kit that I just keep on me. In this case here, I'll need to set them up, flank them from each side to make sure I get the panelists, because if I didn't, man, that would have been an issue. So just setting up lighting now, making sure the guests are well lit, get them on both sides, and go from there. Right now, I'm just setting my temperature and trying to get to 56. And then I'm gonna get my everything else set up from that end there. But again, we need some light to this bug. We need something like that. And this should do it very nicely. Now, the one thing I do like about this, and I do need to make a review on these lights here, these Amaran 200Xs are really bright. Now, it's not gonna say it's gonna overpower the sun, but they are clutch, especially in situations like this. They are my go-tos. So what I like is that they fit directly into the case that I can just transport just like this. So I have both of them inside here. I usually just carry the light stands. Separately, clearly can't put them in a case. So even though I do have a case for them, but I have them in different light stands. But it's clutch when you really need it. So let's go up and set up the other side. I'll get the camera set up. I'll get the roaming set up so I can get some roaming shots. But for the most part, this will be just one of those where the camera is gonna be set up on this side right here, capturing the entire stage, and running from there. So the only thing I'm prayerfully hoping is that I'm tapping into an extension coming from the back wall to the splitter that I have that's the speaker is plugged into. I pray that there's no feedback. Hopefully there shouldn't be. I know they have mics up there, but these speakers are pretty small, so it shouldn't be an issue. But I just literally blinded myself with this light. Oh my gosh. Goodness gracious. Don't look into the light. Not looking into the light.
We see these Selly students and their boundless energy and their ideas how to change the world, and their fresh ideas. It's just encouraging.
Hello, my name is Darion. So I feel like Selly was the way to go to, start my change-making journey.
My name is Charlotte, or Charlie Barron. And what I've seen through Selly is so many people and organizations that are genuinely making change and fighting to change the way things are. So that was really empowering.
Welcome to the inaugural SheSoars Women in Aviation Summit.
AMAC's mission, our mission is minorities and women, advocating for minorities and women in this industry. So we must do more, and we are doing more, and that's why we're here today.
AMAC, you have been so instrumental in giving opportunities. Thank you so very much.